Mon Battalion Assam Rifles pra Headquarter 7 Sector Assam Rifles Headquarter Inspector General Assam Rifles laga aegis under the mandate Mon laga Konjong Higher Secondary School day water tanks, smart TV aro water dispenser contribute korise. Idu saman kanto Colonel Santosh Rawat pra ekta goodwill hisabte aro students kan nimite ekta smart interactive aro upgraded classroom thakibo nimite contribute kora laga ase. Etu school te pani khabole laga shortage hua aro pani shortage hoikina thaka pra Assam Rifles pra syntax tank aro water dispenser bi donate korise. Etu eklan nohoi kena program te Assam Rifles pra Agnivar scheme laga benefits opor bi khoda phatise aro koise Agnivar scheme laga registration koribo nimite desk to 27 Assam Rifles pra Mon post candidates khan thakibo koise. Etu goodwill gesture laga oporte school laga founder niyam to wansha konyak pra Assam Rifles khan laga oporte mon koshi dishe.
And it's always, they were probably the best days of my life. Schooling is the best time that you would ever have. So please enjoy it. I would also like to thank you, Mr. Nyamto, principal, and all the staff members here. To let us have an opportunity to be able to do something for you. Scarcity of water in today's time, it is not really what we expect. And drinking water, if we can provide that to you, it is our privilege that we are able to do something. As he has said, discipline. Now I would like to add on to that. When I look at you as the future of country. Yes, you are individuals, but apart from that, you are the future of this country. And long time back, I used to be a student, and it's always, they were probably the best days of my life. Schooling is the best time that you would ever have. So please enjoy it. I would also.
Piles Care Center, address Burma Camp Walford Road, opposite Police Point, Dimapur. Contact number 9863758600 69097171178.